here we are at the low quality inn here in Lake City, Florida. We got ourselves a Series 1. Let's go to 3. Got a pair actually, too. Quality inn, Lake City. Let's go back down to 1. Go back up to 3. I want to say this was like a late 90s, early 2000s hotel. Yeah, I cannot. There we go. Not 80 pound. Yeah, pretty nice cab. It's green. Listen you down. That door bus was annoying. None of the lanterns light up. What the heck is that? On the floor. Nice elevator. Let's go back down. Let's go down to 1. I think this is the first time I've ever seen a quality inn with 2 elevators in a 3-story hotel. It says run 2, but run 1, and it just switched to 1. Let's go back up to 3. In the video 1. Series 1. Nothing too exciting. 2,500 pounds. There's your phone. I can get the. I can get the. Well, that will have to do. I gotta use my feet. Can't get this door to close. Whatever. That phone box will not close. Actually, there goes it several times, but there goes the elevator. Interesting. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.